Okay, this is going to be a shop short. I got a question for you. If you happen to know Shopsmith tools, what's wrong with this picture? It's really interesting. You'll notice that a good portion of the listings on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay for Shopsmith tools will show the bandsaw or some accessory sitting on the right-hand side of the headstock, right hand from your point of view. And what's wrong with this is most of the accessories were never made to be powered from that end. They were designed to be mounted on this end, powered from this side of the headstock. What's the difference? Well, these spindles, though they're both turning this direction, from the end you'll notice they're turning in opposite directions. There are a couple accessories that theoretically could be powered from this end, especially if you happen to have the electronic variable speed headstock known as the Power Pro, because on that machine you can run the machine in reverse. But too many times I hear about people who got a used machine from somebody. It was set up this way because, let's face it, when they rolled it out of the garage, they just started sticking accessories wherever they would fit. And when they coupled them together, they found out that it was powering it backwards, or worse yet, it completely destroyed the accessory. So let's talk real quickly about ways you can prevent this, especially bandsaw, belt sander, and such, from being destroyed. First one is mount it on the correct end. The correct end is over here, opposite of the quill. You'll notice if I pull this back, the quill end is the end that it would extend. This is not where we mount accessories like this. The second thing that we want to make sure we do is to have the machine at a slow speed. Now, I've talked about it before that you don't necessarily always have to turn the machine all the way down to slow before you turn it completely off, but it's not a bad habit. But if you happen to be running your table saw and then you connect it with one of the slower speed accessories like the bandsaw or the 6-inch belt sander, if you turn this on at table saw speed, you can, and most likely will, damage the rubber tires that are on the wheel or the drive drum on the belt sander. So mount it on the correct end, start them at slow speed. Hey, maybe you won't ruin your bandsaw after all. Make it a great day.